Pisces, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and we will see what's coming to you in the next 24 hours from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to, because this is a timeless reading anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. Okay, let's see. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. So let's see, Pisces, next 24 hours. Okay. Wow. Arrange muna natin, ha? There's a certain focus in your family, communication. So, maaring there's an important person na makikipag-communicate sa'yo in the next 24 hours, like a family member, someone who is close to you. This can be related sa pera or sa inheritance, no, sa mana or properties. Maaring ito ay galing sa ibang bansa or from someone who is not close to you, like malayo kayo, may distance sa isa't isa. However, yung iba sa inyo, Pisces, ay yung para bang feeling stuck kayo ngayon, no? Yung you've been thinking a lot lately. Yung bang parang para kayong lumilipad. Lumilipad ang isip ninyo. Yung iba wala kayong magawa, no? Wala kayong matapos. Pwedeng nagsisimula lang kayo tapos hindi niyo na alam kung paano tatapusin. Yeah, maaring nagsistruggle kayo ngayon sa concentration. Some of you maaring may struggle pagdating sa pagiging part ng isang grupo, no, or community. You might feel na parang you don't belong in a certain community. Pwede ring nagkakaroon ka ng restriction ngayon to do the things that you want to do. Or nagkakaroon ka ng interest na mag-aral, mag-explore, gawin yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Some of you, nagpapalakas kayo ng inyong pangangatawan. Maaring mas naglalakad kayo ngayon or may mga activities kayo para mas mapalakas nyo yung inyong pangangatawan, like jogging, walking, mga mild activities that will strengthen your physical self, yung pangangatawan mo. Some of you may frustration kayo sa trabaho nyo kasi parang hindi na kayo nag-grow sa career, sa workplace ninyo, you feel stuck. Parang walang change. And also when it comes to your health, kung kayo ay sedentary yung lifestyle, ibig sabihin hindi kayo, yung lifestyle nyo or trabaho nyo is hindi kayo masyadong naglalalabas or parang naka lang kayo, laging nakaupo. So, yeah, kaya siguro meron ditong energy na you have to move. Kailangan mo maglakad-lakad. Makakatulong yan para sa mental health mo, mental clarity, lalo na kung meron kang pinagdadaanan ngayon na challenges related rin sa kaibigan, related sa trabaho mo, related sa kapatid, kung meron kang issues sa kapatid mo, or sa isang kaibigan na malapit sa'yo. Some of you are also into spirituality, yung parang meron kayong inaalam, tinutuklas tungkol sa mga abilities ninyo, because some of you are highly psychic. Meron kayong kapasidad. Malakas ang inyong pakiramdam. Okay, let's see what other messages. What's the overall energy next 24 hours? You have the Ace of Pentacles. There's a new beginning, a new opportunity that is coming to you related sa pera, no? So, sa trabaho. This can be a new opportunity sa career, sa work. You may also be receiving some sort of inheritance or tulong galing sa family member, financial support from your parents. Let's see what is the challenge for Pisces next 24 hours? The Fool. Nako, ang challenge dito is yung mga bagay na gagawin nyo ng padalos-dalos na hindi kayo nag-iisip. Kailangan pag-isipang maigi. Do not take risks in the next 24 hours. Okay? Huwag hayaan na basta ka nalang papasok sa isang bagay, relasyon, commitment, investment, nang hindi mo pinag-iisipan. Dahil baka ikaw ay mamroblema lang. Okay? And then, what is your opportunity next 24 hours? Emperor, or in the next 24 hours, you are going to be in control of your life. Maaring mas makakapagplano ka na. Mas mabibigyan mo ng atensyon yung mga importanteng bagay sa buhay mo in the next 24 hours. You will have this control over your actions. Mas magiging committed ka, mas magiging structured, disiplinado. What is your blessing? The 5 of Pentacles. Okay, as a blessing, if you are struggling financially, merong solusyon yung financial struggle mo ngayon. You may be getting some help from someone regarding your financial situation. Yung iba maaring may opportunities kayo for learning. Gusto nyo mag-aral eh. Or yung iba meron kayong inaalam, parang ini-investigate pagdating sa family background ninyo, yung mga kanununuan nyo, yung inyong ancestors, yung origin ninyo, saan kayo nanggaling. So let's see the energy for your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances. Next 24 hours. You have a decision to reconsider. So, pwedeng meron ka na pag-desisyonan in the past na kailangan mong pag-isipang maigi. Lalo na kung ito yung minadali mo. Oo. Pwedeng i-reconsider mo, tama ba yung ginawa mo? Pwedeng pag-resign sa trabaho yan, or pag-start ng business, or kahit na mga minor decisions in the past na aayusin mo or i-review mo. And then for your love life, energy ng love life. Clarity, everything makes sense now. So naliwanagan ka na, Pisces, sa isang connection, relationship that you are in right now. Na alam mo na kung ano yung standing mo sa person na yan, o alam mo na kung ano yung totoo sa person na yan, or alam mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo moving forward, alam mo na kung ano yung plans mo or yung gusto mo para sa sarili mo moving forward. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces, for the next 24 hours. Thank you so much and see you again.